Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Google Forms not working. If Google Forms isn't working, whether it's not loading, buttons aren't responding, or submissions fail, this guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issues. So let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to refresh the page or try another browser. And to do that, just go to your Forms link, go in here. Now here, click and press on Ctrl plus R or CMD plus R if you're using a Mac device to refresh the page. Or you can alternatively click on this icon right here to refresh the page. The second step is to open the form from in another browser like Firefox, Edge or Safari. As you can see in this tutorial, I'm using Brave. You can use Google Chrome, try using Google Chrome or try using Edge browser. Any other browser is fine. The second step is to clear cache and disable extensions. Too much stored cache can cause Google Forms to glitch. Now, in your browser, go to the menu by clicking on the three horizontal line. This is a Brave browser, so I'm just gonna go click on the three horizontal lines, and then I'm gonna go to delete browsing data, and here I'm gonna choose cookies and other site data or cached images and files. After you select them, make sure you confirm by clicking on delete data. And you can also disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools that might interfere. You'll find them right here on this one, as you can see. And you can disable them. As for the third step, check if Google Form is down, and you can do that by visiting google.workspace.com status dashboard, and here you can check for the outages in Google servers. As for the fourth step, try a different device or network. Now if the form isn't loading, try accessing it on another device or different Wi-Fi or mobile network by switching your Wi-Fi in your device settings. Now for the fifth step is ensure you have permission to access the form. Now if the form says you need permission, it means the form is restricted. So contact the form owner and request access. And the owner can change the access from here. If it's restricted, only the people who are their emails are written here can access the form. Now if you switch to anyone with the link, anyone who has the link can access the form easily. As for the sixth and final step, you can restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve unexpected technical issues. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.